What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Makhumalo and Mangwabe exposed Snare's real behavior. So it's a back and forth between them. It's like a tag team, 2 versus 1. It's Makhumalo and Mangwabe in that corner versus Snare in that corner. And the referee is actually Musa Mseleko, who is doing nothing about it. So in a bold move that is sent the stage, for a major confrontation, Makhumalo and Mangwabe exposed the Snare's behavior, behind closed doors. So it was like during a tense family meeting, the two wives revealed the side of Snare that viewers had not even seen before. They claiming that, her public persona was a far cry from the person that she really was when the cameras weren't rolling. The accusations of number 1, dishonesty, manipulation, and disrespect. So let's look at these. Disrespect, I agree, Snare is definitely disrespectful to literally anyone. Manipulation, I wouldn't know much about that, but I don't want to give a benefit of the doubt. I don't agree with the manipulation part. But the dishonesty, I would love to give it, a benefit of the doubt, because I've seen Snare's behavior being really questionable sometimes. You see her refusing to play games with others and claiming that she is sick, when clearly you can see that she wasn't even sick. So Makhumalo and Mangwabe's decision to air these grievances has actually raised the stakes in the already volatile family dynamic. So the drama surrounding Snare's character is sparking heated debate, throughout the entire country, and while others are trying to accuse Snare, of it's really crazy. But what is clear is that these revelations by Makhumalo and Mangwabe, they have put Snare on the defensive, and it also raises questions about the authenticity of the relationships within the polygamous family. But the good thing about it is that these people are airing their grievances, and this is how we get to a solution. When people air their grievances, of course, it can be dirty and stuff like that, but when you air your grievances, at least we can see that, okay, you have a problem here, we can address it here, rather than someone who is just quiet and not opening up.